Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In today's video, we will show you how to view tax documents on Airbnb. We will also put our referral link in the description below for you to sign up. To start, open the website airbnb.com/hosting. Then log in with your phone number. Once you're logged in, you will see your profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on your profile icon. On the drop-down list, you will see an option that says Account. Click on Account. Here you will see an option for Taxes. Click on Taxes. Next, on this page, you will see a tab that says Tax Documents. Click on Tax Documents. That's how you view your tax documents on Airbnb. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.